Looking to upgrade your ride with cutting-edge tech? In today's video, we're highlighting some of Ford's top tech accessories that'll take your driving experience to the next level. First up, the remote start system to button fob with confirmation. Start your vehicle from afar with the added bonus of visual confirmation, ensuring you're ready to roll comfortably from the start. Next, for the Super Duty owners, the trailer-mounted camera kit. Securely mount a camera on your trailer for effortless monitoring while towing, perfect for your toughest jobs. Keep passengers entertained with the Voxx Portable Rear Seat Entertainment System. Whether it's road trips or daily commutes, the kids will be occupied with movies and games all day long. Capture every moment on the road with the 4K Ultra HD Dashcam bundle, including a rear-facing camera for total peace of mind and crystal-clear footage in any situation. And for the Explorer 2025 owners, the Illuminated keyless entry keypad offers a sleek, secure way to access your vehicle day or night. Ford's tech accessories are all about convenience, safety, and comfort. Elevate your driving experience with the best in the business, only from Ford Genuine Accessories. Visit Williams Ford today to upgrade your vehicle's tech.